I'm back at it again, back with another video. And as you can see, I have a special guest today, my little sister. She's going to be my model today. By the way, this is Blondie. And Blondie has been locked a little over a year. And the method she used, she did the comb coil. They turned out really good. Today's video, I will be doing my very first retwist, lock combine, as well as I'll be washing her hair. So my first step, I'm actually going to be washing her hair. I want to wash her hair. It's been about 3 or 4 months since she's last washed her hair. She hasn't gotten a retwist in about 3 months. So everything you see here, I'm basically going to be revitalizing her locks. I'm not a loctician or a professional or anything like that. I've done my research and I've been saying I wanted to try because I plan to do it on myself. So today I'm going to shoot my shot and I'm going to try to make this work. So bear with us. I'm going to go ahead and wash her hair. I'm also going to be going over all the products that you may need whenever you need to combine your locks, do a retwist, or shampoo your hair. So as you can see, this is what I'm going to be working with. Like locks like this, she wants them to be thicker and rounder. So what I'll do is I'll be combining these two and so forth. Some of them are really thick already, so I probably won't bother. Like this one is kind of thick. She has a few thick ones off in here, so I'm probably not going to do the entire head like that, but for the most part, the ones that I know for a fact needs to be combined, I'll do so. And she actually wanted hers like the size of mine. Mine's are pretty thin, so I don't understand why she wanted like mine, but she says that like once mine grow out, the way that I have my hair parted, they're going to grow like the size that she wants. So we're gonna try to get her. Well, she's already on a good track, so like I said, I'm trying to play catch up, but I'm gonna tell y'all everything y'all need and then we're gonna get to it. Using cream of nature with argan oil from Morocco, and it's sulfate free, and this is all I use to wash my hair. Do not use conditioner. I repeat, do not. You do not want to use conditioner because conditioner will soften your hair and it would, seriously, it would detangle your lock. Like if you washed your hair normally as you would if you just had regular hair, you would literally ruin your locks and they won't lock because it's too soft. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense. But yeah, so we're going to be using cream of nature. And I love to stick with like natural shampoos. You want the most natural shampoo as possible when it comes to washing your locks. One of my favorites, and it smells really good, slide-in clips. I like the slide-in clips because they go a long way. Like I don't have to worry about running out of duck clips. So I'm gonna go with these, some rubber bands. And I'm trying this new gel. I've done a lot of research on it and a lot of people are suggesting this gel, so I'm gonna see how it works. So I also gotta show you guys the oil that I use for my scalp. This is actually a new oil. It's called, it's 99% natural Jojoba. Jojoba? I hope that. I also forgot to mention the metal tooth comb. These combs are very important in separating your locks and trying to make your locks neater. And like I said, you just basically use this to separate your lock. So I'll usually like at least just have like the back row out. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna make our way up to the top. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve retwist along with combining your locks. Okay guys, so in order to achieve a retwist, you must use some type of natural gel product. I'll also be taking the jojoba oil to moisturize her scalp. And once I do that, I'll be taking a metal tooth comb to clean up my working area, just to make the part more neat and just make it look more presentable. And then from this point on, what you'll do is you'll take the two locks that you're trying to combine and you'll put them together and you just twist it until the twist is complete. And once you get to a certain point, like I'd say halfway, I will go ahead and put a rubber band on it, and then I'll continue to twist it. And then I'll do a plum roll just to secure the combination of the two locks. In this video, I'll actually be doing two methods of retwisting and combining the locks. In this demonstration, I showed you the simple version, which is just the regular twist. I found that one being kind of difficult because the twist would unravel versus doing a two-strand twist. So I highly suggest doing the two-strand method to combine your locks. Alright, so now we're in the front. The front is like the most crucial area, or that's like my biggest concern, because this is what's exposed. Like, this is what people see first. So I always try to at least make sure the parts look good, at least. So and here is a demonstration of how to do the two-strand twist method to combine your locks. I highly recommend keeping a dryer, a hand dryer handy, or a dryer that you sit underneath. And this is used to help mold the retwist just so that they could stay in place. And in this picture, I used a hand dryer to complete this look. Thank you so much for all of your support. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. Mwah.